Good pre-season, you know, we've had a new manager come in and have a lot of young players coming up from the academy, so it's been a really positive pre-season where we've got to learn to gel with each other and had a lot of games, especially in the League Cup before the season starts.
We went away down south, so that was nice to kind of get all the new girls gelled into the team. It's been really good so far, had a few games which has been really positive.
It's been tough as expected, but I think we're in a place now that we're looking forward to the season starting.
Really excited for the season to get started. Obviously we like to get all the pre-season stuff out of the way and into the nice exciting part.
Delighted that it's over, but it's been really good getting new players in and working really hard, lots of running, but I think we're ready to get going on Sunday now, so it's just now putting it all to practice and going for it.
Pre-season's been good. We've obviously had the group stages of the Cup for the first time this season, so that was nice to get some kind of competitive matches under the belt before starting the season, so I think that put us in a good place.
Obviously pre-season's been tough, but getting back into it, back into a routine, back into the training week, normal training week, and then a game on Sunday's always good. And then yeah, we're just looking forward to getting started and hopefully winning some games.
I think a lot of the teams have been different this year as well, a lot of new faces, changes of players, so it'll be very interesting to see how the team's gone.
Pre-season's been good. I think we've been worked very hard, but I think even the European games during the week we've shown how fit we are as a squad, and we obviously had to do 120 minutes midweek and then play again a few days later, so that speaks well of how well pre-season went.
It's felt like a while since we've been playing competitive games, so it's nice to get back and yeah, really excited for the challenge ahead.
Just to be successful, more successful than last year as a whole. We just want to be good people and, you know, conduct ourselves in the right way and, as I said, be successful on and off the pitch.
I think we need to be as ambitious as possible, but first of all realistic, and the #1 goal is to obviously stay in SWPL 1.
So as always, our aims are top 6, and then we're trying to progress as long as possible in the Cup. So we were at Hampden 2 years in the semi-final a few years ago, and it was a good experience, so we're hoping to get one step further than that.
You know, we want silverware. We obviously got a bit of that last season in the Cup, but you know, we're eager for more, and yeah, that's what Glasgow City's about.
Obviously we want to go and do the best that we can. Disappointed with last year, but we finished on a high, so it's now just can we continue that into the start of this season and really go on and push ourselves and be the best version of Hibs that we can be.
Retain the title again, but again we're also realistic about that, so yeah, we're just a younger squad. We're looking to develop players through that, and I think we're going to see an exciting Hearts.
I'm not sure. I think Motherwell and Pàirce Petershill and Montrose actually last season they fought it out for the top 6, so I think any of those teams are always really difficult to play against, and the games are always tight against them.
I think Montrose might be a strong package. They started the League Cup off very positive as well, so I think Montrose could be a good challenger.
I think Spartans will be strong, although they've just come up. They've been at SWPL 1 for many years, so don't underestimate them.
I think Pàirce Petershill will have another strong season, as they have done. Always a difficult team to play against, and yeah, I think they've been excellent the last few years, so I expect the same again from them.
I don't even know if it would be a surprise, but I think Montrose certainly look a lot stronger this year. They've got a lot of players, especially from Aberdeen, but I think they'll be the surprise package.
This is the point where like every footballer just goes out your head. Katie Wilkinson.
We need to back Wilco again for top scorer.
Katie Wilkinson.
I'm going to say Tyree.
Probably Katie Wilkinson again. She's been phenomenal for the last couple of years, but hopefully not against Pàirce Petershill.
There's so many new kind of strikers and people chipping in with goals, even in the Cup stages, that I think it's open to anyone.
I think Glasgow City will win it this year.
Hopefully us.
Glasgow City.
Hearts.
Hibs. Ideally I'd say Montrose.
I'm going to say Rangers.
I think Rangers.
Rangers.
I think it'll be tight, but we'll say Glasgow City.